Ever wonder what tiny building blocks make up literally everything? The air, your phone,
Yeah.
everything.
It's pretty amazing when you think about it.
Well, today we're diving into a really fascinating source. It's actually a song, believe it or not, that introduces us to 20 of these fundamental elements.
Yeah, a song's kind of a neat way to approach it, taking something maybe a bit abstract and making it catchy.
Exactly. So our mission today is to unpack this 20 elements song. We want to pull out some surprising facts, maybe some connections, and make these elements feel a bit more real for you, not just names on a chart.
Sounds good. Making the periodic table relatable.
Okay, so kicking things off with hydrogen. The song mentions it's light, it's in water.
Right, and that lightness is key. But it's also incredibly energetic. That's why it's used in rocket fuel.
Rocket fuel. Wow, so tiny element, huge power.
Precisely. Getting massive rockets off the ground, that takes serious energy.
Okay, next up, helium. That's the balloon one, right? Everyone knows helium balloons.
Yeah, the party trick element. But the important thing the song hints at is safety, no flames, no fuss.
Unlike hydrogen.
Exactly. Helium won't catch fire, which is pretty important for party balloons.
Good point. Then there's lithium. The song links it to batteries.
Specifically the rechargeable ones, like in your phone, your laptop.
Oh, okay. So pretty vital for modern life then.
Absolutely essential. The way it stores and releases energy is, well, perfect for portable electronics.
Got it. Beryllium is next. Strong and light for airplanes.
That's the one. It has this amazing stiffness, but doesn't weigh much, so engineers love it for aerospace. You get strength without the extra weight.
Makes sense. Lighter planes, less fuel.
Exactly.
Okay. Boron, used in tough, clear stuff like oven doors. That seems specific.
It is, yeah.
Huh?
Boron helps create materials, often glass-like, that can handle really high temperatures without breaking and stay transparent. Think lab glassware, too, that sort of thing.
Right, right. Okay, carbon. Now this one feels like it's everywhere. Trees, food, hair.
It really is. Carbon is like the fundamental building block for all life as we know it. It can form so many different kinds of bonds.
So really versatile.
Incredibly versatile.
Yeah.
Graphite in pencils, diamonds, both carbon.
Huh. Okay. Nitrogen. The song mentions air and soil.
Yep, makes up about, what, 78% of the air you're breathing right now?
Wow, that much.
Yeah. And it's crucial for plants, for growth. It gets pulled from the air into the soil, essentially fertilizing it. Vital for the food chain.
Okay. And oxygen, well, that one's pretty obvious, isn't it? Breathing.
Can't live without it. It's what our bodies use to release energy from the food we eat. Basic respiration.
Fluorine. Toothpaste. Keeping teeth clean.
It strengthens your tooth enamel, makes it tougher against decay, against acids from food and drink.
So that's how it works. Neon bright signs, those are hard to miss.
Definitely. You pass electricity through neon gas, and it glows that famous reddish orange. Other gases give different colors, but neon started the trend.
Ah, cool. Sodium, that's salt, right? Taste.
Yeah, sodium chloride is table salt. Essential for our bodies, for nerves and muscles, but the song's right to hint at moderation. Too much isn't great.
Gotcha. Magnesium, fireworks, and inside us.
Yep. Magnesium burns really bright white, so it's great for those dazzling fireworks. And inside us, it's involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions. Really important.
Hundreds. Wow. Okay. Aluminum, foil, planes, strong, doesn't rust.
Super practical metal, light like beryllium, but cheaper and easier to work with for many things.
Yeah.
That rust resistance is key too. Think cans, window frames.
Yeah, true. Silicon computers and chips. The heart of tech.
Absolutely. The semiconductor. That means we can control how electricity flows through it on a tiny scale. That's the basis of all microchips, computers, everything digital, really.
Mind-boggling stuff. Phosphorus. Glow-in-the-dark DNA and cleaning products. That's a weird mix.
It seems like it. The glow is phosphorescence. It's also a core part of our DNA structure.
Yeah.
And phosphates are used in some detergents to soften water and lift dirt.
Huh. Okay. Sulfur. The eggy smell one. But also soap and medicine.
That smell is hydrogen sulfide, usually. But sulfur itself has useful properties. It's antibacterial, antifungal, so you find it in some skin treatments.
Right. Chlorine keeping pools clean. That's a familiar smell, too.
Yeah, it's a powerful disinfectant. Kills bacteria, algae. Keeps the water safe for swimming.
Makes sense. Argon in light bulbs. Why?
It's a noble gas, meaning it's very unreactive. It doesn't like to interact with other elements. So in an old-style incandescent bulb, it stops the hot metal filament from burning up too quickly. Just fills the bulb and protects the filament.
Ah, clever. Potassium bananas and heart health.
Yep, famous for being in bananas. It's an electrolyte crucial for regulating your heartbeat, nerve signals. Really vital.
Good reason to eat your bananas. And finally, calcium. Bones, teeth, milk, greens.
The main mineral in our skeleton gives it strength. Also needed for muscles to contract, nerves to fire.
Yeah.
You get it from dairy, leafy greens, fortified foods.
So important for staying strong and healthy. So there you have it, 20 elements from this song, and they're just woven into everything. Rockets, phones, fireworks, the air, even, us.
It really shows how these fundamental building blocks, each with its own sort of personality, combine to create, well, everything. The sheer complexity from these simple starting points is amazing.
It really is. Makes you think, doesn't it? What else are these elements doing that we didn't even touch on?
Exactly. Maybe take a look at an ingredients list on something nearby, food, shampoo, whatever. You might just spot a few of these 20 friends, as the song calls them, doing their quiet work.
A good challenge, something to think about.